Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can take a slow motion video or photo. How you can just make a slow motion video in iPhone 13. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start. First go to camera, and then you have to see there is a slow-mo option, and then you just take like this, start capturing like this. And friends, you can see it is in very slow mo. This is how you can make it. The picture quality is very real, you can see. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks video. Thanks for watching.